Everyone, Patrick Hill here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a modern recruitment platform for free with zero code using Hirepad. So if that sounds good, continue watching and I'll show you how this works. So we're going to build something like this. This is a healthcare recruitment platform, and if I press search, you can see it already has an advanced job board alongside a Airbnb type map box, which is pretty cool. If I click into the job, you can see it has all the information for the candidate to apply to the job, and it also includes a candidate portal and customized onboarding by default. So this is perfect for recruiters who are just starting out, who want to get up and running quickly, or for more established agencies who want a bit more of a modern platform and upgrade to that next level. So whenever you're ready, we'll go to hirepad.io and click start for free and start building our website. Once you've created an account and chosen to create a new recruitment platform, you're brought to this agency form where we're going to type in our agency's details. So I'm going to choose an example agency called Savage Recruiting, maybe after Greg Savage. So I'm going to put Savage Recruiting. Once you've filled out your details, click next. So I'm going to create a healthcare agency that does locum recruitment and also permanent. So I'm going to select the required ones here and click next. I'm then going to choose my industry. So my industry is going to be doctors and physicians, and then I'm going to click next. We're now going to decide the look on our website. We currently only have one available free theme called Juno, but we're going to be adding more to this as we go along, and also you can request a custom design if you decide to. So now I'm going to choose a color that I like. I'm going to go with purple, and I'm just going to click confirm design. So now Hirepad is assigning all the job types and classifications and creating the website. And as you can see, Hirepad has created our website. And if we click the view live website, we can see it's already on the internet. It's already live. We have all these components already generated for us. And you can see if we press search, the job board already works straight out of the box. But right now it looks like a theme. We want to make it look like our own website and tailored to our own branding. So how we're going to do this is we're going to go back into the dashboard and we're going to go customize website. This is now taking us to the website builder where we can tailor every single page, every single section to our brand. For example, I'm going to change the hero section. I'm going to click on it here. And on the right hand side, I'm going to change the details of this. I'm going to change the background color to I'm going to make it maybe blue, a light blue. And then I'm going to change the header as well to that same color. Nice. That looks good, but I also want to change this purple down here so the search looks the same. So I'm going to change that to blue, light blue. And there we go. We've changed all of the header, the hero, and the search settings background colors. Now that's awesome. So I'm going to go back into the hero, and I want to change this text to say find the best jobs in for example Belfast. And then once I'm happy with the design of my website, so I've gone through every single page and I've added and changed everything and made everything the way I like it, all I have to do is press save and publish at the top here and the changes are applied. So I'll just press save and publish, and that's us. It's then published to our live website and we're all good to go. So now we're happy with our the look and the design of the website. We actually need to customize the internals to make sure that it matches our recruitment style. And the way we can do this is we can go to settings. And in settings, we have all of these general things that we can update. So the address, the phone number, the country, the time zone, and the currency. We can even change the font of our store, our website if we wanted to. and click there if we wanted and press update, and that will change the font that our website has. So then you have a more unique style or unique look. Also, we can change the website, say images. For example, when we share links on LinkedIn or on Facebook, we may want a default image to show, displaying what our agency does or what services we offer. And this is a good way to do that here. We also want to add a custom domain. So we want www.savagerecruiting.com to have this website, so we can add the custom domain here. So then it points to our own brand. So if you need any help setting that up, just let me know and I'm happy to help. There are some instructions here and also in the documentation of how to do that. We then can add our socials, so our LinkedIn, Facebook, and those ones will appear at the footer of our websites. So then candidates or clients can check out what we're doing on our social media. Cool. We also have a team section where you can invite your recruitment agency members and they can then edit things on Hirepad and post jobs for you. And all you do is press invite and then you type in an email and then send invite, and they'll follow the instructions to join your platform. We also have job types. We set this up on the onboarding, and I'm happy enough with how this looks. But say if I did more full-time recruitment, I can then change the position of how this will appear on my registration and also on the search bar. So if I move that up, say full-time first and then part-time second, I'll just press update. Now that we've updated our job types, we can move on to job classifications. Now we just need to check that these are the classifications we're recruiting for, as this was auto-generated by the onboarding. So say if I don't do emergency medicine anymore, I'll just archive that classification, and then that therefore is going to be removed from our registration and also our search bar. If I wanted to add a new classification, I'll just click this button at the top right, and then I'll just create one for optometrist, and I'll click create job classification. And as you can see, optometrist was then added to the list, and I can drag and drop the position of these classifications in our onboarding or search bar of how they're actually displayed. So say if optometry was a big market for me, I would put this at the top of the list to make it easier for optometrists. And then I would just say update job classification. Now if we go back into our website, we can see that the search bar has now been updated. So if I go to classification, I can see that optometrist is now positioned at the very top. And if I click optometrist and press search, that's how that would work right away. Perfect. So now we've customized our platform for our job types and classifications. We also can go a bit deeper into our onboarding process, so we can add certificates. So say if I wanted to create a certificate for CPR, I would then type in CPR training, and the type of certificate is going to be a training certificate. I'm going to make it mandatory on when people sign up and register that they have to enter this, upload a certificate for this. And then I'm going to press create. Cool, this is added to our onboarding now. Great, so now we can add our reviews to our website for that bit of social proof for candidates and clients coming to our website to show that we have a good service. And you can easily add them here. So I can create a new review and I can just add best recruitment agency. We can do the rating, so 5 stars, and I'll do the name. I'll say the job title is pharmacist. You can also upload an image of them if you need as well, which adds a bit more that friendliness to your website. So I'll press create. Cool, we've now added that review to our website. Awesome, so now we can move on to policies. So you can create a new website policy, and this is either going to be your terms of service or terms and conditions or your privacy policy, and then that will show up on those pages automatically. Also, we can add integrations. So we want to know who's coming to our website and who's viewing our website. So we're going to use Google Analytics and also Facebook Analytics. Also, there's Google Places public key. This just allows your website to use Google Places, which, you know, if you go to the search bar and you press where and you type in, for example, Brisbane, this shows the list as it's pulling from Google. So that's where you can add that there. And also we can add real-time chat support with Chris, which is an awesome tool. And it brings that friendly touch to our website, showing them that we're there whenever they need. We can answer their questions. Also, there's Mapbox integration, which I showed you at the beginning, where we had the Airbnb style map. And these are the settings that we would have for this. So now we're moving on to the blog. You can see that we already have an integrated blog within our system. So you can create new blogs, or you can edit old blogs, and you can use all the settings here. And this is in the documentation on how you want to set this up. So now we've designed the platform to our brand and also our recruiting style. We're going to have to add some jobs now. So how do we get started? Well, the first thing we do is we go to the left-hand side panel and click on the client or shop icon, and we're going to add a new client. And bear with me, I'm just going to fill out this form real quick. Created a client, and now we're able to create a job. So we need to go to the jobs tab, and you'll find that the left-hand side here, and in this inbox icon, we'll click on that, and now we're in the jobs page. So if I click new job, I can then select the client that we just created. We can select a type of job that we're creating. I'm going to choose locum, and then I'm going to choose general practice. And then I'm going to select the shift range or the date range that I'm going to have for this locum job. So I'm going to choose July, and I'm going to put July 9th to July 31st. As you can see, it pre-fills all of the dates along with the start and end time of that shift. This is attached to the client. They can add different shifts that are available to them, and then you can select which shifts you would like to optimize for each date. And then I'm going to click next. I'm going to add the pay. Put 100 to 120, and then I'm going to choose the template. And as you can see, we have a template already loaded here called Locum GP. We can add this in our settings and customize different templates so we can be quick when creating new jobs. I'm going to select an attribute, and again, you can customize these in the settings as well. And then I'm going to create a job title. So I'll put Locum GP, and I'll click next. And the contact email that is responsible for the job, and they'll get notifications if there's any applications through our website. Cool. And also, if you want to send notifications, right now notifications are disabled, but if you want some job alerts, we can help you out with that as well. So I'm just going to click post job. Cool. We've now posted the job to our website, and this should show up in our search. So if I click search, and not full time because it's a locum shift. So if I click search again, and voila, we have our job already listed, and we can view it, and we can see all of the dates that we added for it, and the description template that we had for this job. So that's everything from this demonstration. This was just a quick walkthrough, a quick overview of how Hirepad can work for you and how easy it is for you to create, customize, and build your website. And it's just an awesome way to get started. So if you have any questions, just reach out to me either on LinkedIn or the real-time chat within our application, or via email at patrick@hirepad.io. So thanks very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day.